Hey everybody, Happy New Year and welcome to Clean Panels version 7. I just wanted to make a couple minute video here explaining what's new with Clean Panels version 7. We've really listened to what people were talking about with our UI and trying to make things simpler on initial setups and making getting going a lot quicker to what you need or what you think you would need in using Clean Panels. Okay. So as I basically said, our first thing overall was a lot of work into our UI. Okay, a lot of originally Clean Panels was not broken up. As you can see, we basically added all the tabs here, different levels. We have everything that you'll be able to see is now going to have a when you highlight over it, it will give you um, information of what it's about. Okay. You will also see a little help button now on a lot of things, and what that'll do is it'll pop up, explain to you what it's about, and we've also made quick videos on YouTube that you can go to. Okay, for each area, you'll notice we have videos for that. Okay, a really neat option that we added was a in our help section. Well, when somebody's new to Clean Panels, they'll get an automatic guide that'll guide them through their initial setup, get them going, create a category, explain the little things there, and then if you ever need to, you can go into help and reset that. Okay. Um, a lot of people were having issues with key maps because of Blender itself possibly deleting out a key map um, and it would be gone. Now we have the option here to restore missing key maps. So what happens if one is gone, it'll restore it back to what it originally should be, which is kind of cool there. We did go into the configuration and we've made an easy mode. We've made a couple different options here that I'll make another video explaining more in depth on. But the neat thing about easy mode is you can see the items that when you unclick it for our advanced items will show up. If your easy mode is on, though, none of the items here, including node editor, image editor, and all, will not be accessible. So you'd have to have easy mode off for that. Okay. We also have this magic setup, which is pretty neat. We have a database that we've been putting together for different add-ons and what kind of categories they might have. If you click the magic setup, it'll actually look at your add-ons and just give you a generic starting here of categories and put your items in there with an icon and all to get you started. We now have, if you've already had categories here, you now have the option to do a batch assignment, which is pretty neat. You can go down through your items and basically give them all a category as you go, and then save it, and then they'll be assigned that way. Okay. We also added a quick reorder button, which is kind of neat. What it will do, it will allow you to click this and you can reorder your items on the fly. Hit confirm. We also added a button here for uncategorized items. If you don't have them categorized into items there, it'll automatically pop them up on your end panel for, if you hadn't already categorized them or installed new ones, which is kind of neat. I'm just looking through here. The fetch latest database, that is, like I said, that's a repository we have of different items. You can grab that if we have added category items in there for naming. Again, I'm going to put some more videos together explaining this more here, but we want to let you know with 7.0 what you'll be getting. Okay, so this, we have cleaned up our renaming, reordering. So we were having some issues where they were getting reset. This has actually been cleaned up. We now can allow for renaming of individual tabs. For example, if AutoRig Pro uses Tool tab, ARP tab, they can all be listed separately now for them easily renamed, all of them. Okay. Reordering should be more reliable now. And then if you do have the Pro option, this is kind of neat, and you use delay to loading, we now have actually created, you'll see this window that pops up. If you have specific categories built into the delayed area outside of your regular categories, you can actually load them on demand. And it's actually kind of neat. You can actually select individual items to be loaded also on demand, one at a time or more if you need to. All right, please head over to our Discord. Any questions, we will be here to answer them. And again, like I said, I will be adding some more videos, not very quick like this, but a little more detailed. But we want to let you guys know about version 7 and how we've been listening to you guys and wanted to make things a little easier for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.